Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and change your YouTube profile picture on your Android smartphone or iOS device. Let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have my Android smartphone right here, and I'm going to go ahead and change my profile picture on my YouTube channel with this. How would I go ahead and do that? Well, let's switch over to my desktop computer, where I have my phone linked to it. Let's go ahead and select the YouTube application right here on my home screen and open this up. Now sign into the account you want to go ahead and change your profile picture on. So I'm going to select the profile picture in the upper right hand side of the screen, and I'm under my TV Tech Today account. Now this is very simple. They made it real easy for you guys. Go to your channel, select this. Now here's my YouTube page right here. And I have the option to edit channel or manage videos. Let's go to edit channel. Now all you simply have to do is select the picture right here in the middle of the screen. So select the little camera icon and go to choose from your photos. So here are a few photos on my phone. This is actually my Instagram account right here. I'm gonna go ahead and select one of these. So let's select the controller in the top left side of the screen. So I have the controller open. Now what I can do is kind of crop the image, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit more, and I'm going to get the entire controller in the image. So you can crop it really small if you really want to. So it goes down this much right here. Otherwise you can go all the way out. And then go to the save button in the upper right hand side of the screen. And it's going to load and change over the profile picture pretty much instantly after this. My profile picture just has been saved. So that is how you change your profile picture on your Android smartphone or iOS device. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more YouTube tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.